Hi, I'm Michelle Rasmussen, and I'm pleased to be here with Heidi Boutwell.
Being infrastructure content managers for the civil space means we get asked a lot of questions, and many of them have to do with workflow. For example, here's a question from an engineer at a mid-sized civil firm. What are the most effective workflows for sharing designs? 3 great options come to mind immediately. Michelle?
Data shortcuts are a tool I often recommend. Typically, people working on a project are in a different office and sometimes in different geographies, but they need to collaborate to get the work done. Data shortcuts for Civil 3D objects are a great way to share designs. It's basically a link to the Civil 3D objects between drawings. For example, you can break up a subdivision design and have one person working on the road design and another person working on surfaces. Multiple users can share the project at the same time.
The one shortfall with data shortcuts is that you can't secure the data. There is no possible way to lock the data in a data shortcut for a project. So if you send that data to a client and they decide to make changes to it, those changes they make could potentially be blamed on you, the originator of the data. How does one avoid this? Use XML files to send shared data and do not send the data shortcut files to your client.
Another option is taking it a step further and using Vault. Vault also saves all the versions you have checked in, so if you need an earlier version of the project, you can easily find it.
Another great option is sharing your design with the cloud. The cloud stores a great many things, live data files such as surfaces, alignments, profiles, and corridors. But if you're the only one who has access, how does a client get to the data? Or what if someone changes the data in the cloud? Can it be tracked? One shortfall with this approach is that you can't easily ensure someone is not going to override the data in the cloud.
Being able to share designs easily is a key requirement for busy firms. It can make or break the profitability of a project.
And from my experience, working together in a team is what makes for outstanding design, using the skills of everyone involved to produce a great product for the client.
If your firm has a great process for sharing, feel free to share your success story with us via our blogs. Thanks for joining me, Heidi.
My pleasure.